Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to clear cache on Tango Live. So let's get started since the process is quite straightforward. Tap open Tango Live application and log into your account. Once signed into the account, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Now, scroll down and tap on General. Now, click on Free Up Space option at the bottom and you will be able to clear up cache from your Tango Live application. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.